Hi, my name is Olayinka Sophia Adebulum, and if I were to be the communication manager at Bitcoin Dev Global Tech Program in Nigeria, this is what I would do. First of all, I would make strong communications with tech communities like in universities, startups, etc., etc. And I'll share amazing opportunities and life stories with them that will encourage them to join the opportunities and pursue in tech. Second of all, I'll use social media because social media now is practically everywhere. It's the main thing. If you're doing business with social media, anything you're doing with social media. So I'll use social media to have engaging talks, short videos, interviews, and any platform that I can use definitely to share the opportunities. That is what I'll do if I were to be the communication manager at Beacon Dev.